Cabinet Secretary, one road project in my constituency that continues to be a source of contention is Newgale. As you know, I've been supporting the local campaign group Stand Up for Newgale, which has developed an alternative scheme for the community that is significantly cheaper than the local authority's £40 million plus road realignment scheme, and it's also more environmentally sensitive too. So, Cabinet Secretary, it makes no sense for Pembrokeshire County Council to push ahead with its plans when there is a more affordable and environmentally sensitive option available to them. Therefore, given that the local authority will turn to the Welsh Government for funding, can you confirm that you will not provide any further Welsh Government funding to the local authority for their scheme until proper consideration has been given to the alternative community-led scheme? And Cabinet Secretary, not often will you get members asking you not to fund a project, so I hope I'll receive a favourable response.
Can I thank Paul Davies for his question and the opportunity to speak about this on a number of occasions, along with members of the local campaign group STUN, and I've also had discussions with the local authority. So I am very, very aware of the alternative that's been suggested by members of the community and indeed by Paul Davies himself, and we've made sure that it is being appropriately considered. I think it's fair to say that it's likely that in this case a public inquiry would be considered and needed for the particular scheme, which would then in turn bring further levels of scrutiny, not just of the scheme that is eventually proposed, but also of all alternatives. There have also been a number of public consultations and planning pre-application consultation, but I can confirm that the role of the Welsh Government in regard to this project has been to fund the work to date to consider those solutions. We'll continue to do so this financial year, but only up to the point where a decision has to be made on the funding of the actual construction of the preferred solution. That will then move to the Corporate Joint Committee to determine, as this is a local road and this will form part of the priorities, if it does at all, of the CJC against other obviously important projects that it will be competing against within the region.